YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Trucking with Remedy. Alright, so this video, like you read, I'm going to show you how to book a load as an owner-operator. The reason I'm making this video is because when I first started off trucking, even before I was an owner-operator working for a company, I would always think and know that I would eventually become an owner-operator. And I always wondered how to get loads and stuff like that. And it was like I was always a little nervous thinking about it, and I shouldn't have been, because as you're about to find out, you're going to see how easy it is, because I'm literally going to make a call with you guys with a broker and book this load. Well, try to book a load. I don't care how many times it takes me. I'm going to book a load with you guys on camera so you guys can see how easy it is. But one thing I do got to say is before we start this video, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. If you're not, help the YouTube algorithm. I really appreciate it. Thank you for all the people who already subscribed. Appreciate it a lot. Another thing is, when you're calling these brokers, remember, you're not talking to a computer. These are people, regular people. You know what I mean? So build relationships with them, because it could help you out in the long run. Say you're leased onto a company, and like I book my own loads. So the company's not calling to book loads and give it to me. I'm doing it. So when I say build these relationships, when I go on to get my own authority and I'm not leased onto a company, and you're going through that 60-day period where they're basically not giving you any loads because you're a new authority, you have those relationships built. So even if they're running with a company that won't take a chance on you, you know a broker in that company and be like, hey, you remember me? It's Jeff. Same truck, same trailer. I'm just under a different DOT number. So can you help me out? And I guarantee that will work for you. So it's definitely be kind to these people, the regular people. Treat them with respect, because in the long run, they're giving you your money. They're what's in between you getting this load or not, getting paid. And another thing, you gotta say a load is $1,500. Go up higher. Ask for more. Always remember to ask for more. Never ask for what is posted on the load board, the offer. Never ask. Always ask for $100, $200, even $300 more sometimes. It doesn't hurt, because the worst thing that's going to happen is they're going to say no. And you're going to be back on the posted rate that the first offer. And if you're even looking at the load, you know that the first offer is something that you would have pulled without any extra money. So, but always, it never hurts to literally just ask for more, as you could see that I'm going to do right now with you guys. There is a load. All right, let's see what I'm interested in. Hollis Center, Maine, come to New Milford, New Jersey. Let's call them up. Interstate Transporting Authority. Let's do this. Show you how easy this is. Hopefully.
Interstate Transport's Carrier Services Department.
Please
hold for the next available Interstate team member.
Coming out of Maine, it's always water. Anything out of Maine.
Interstate, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How you doing? I'm calling about your load for tomorrow from Hollis Center, Maine to New Milford, New Jersey, posted.
Okay, what is the reference number?
Reference number is 262177.
Thank you. Hold it up. Okay, there we go. 2 ShopRite drops.
All right.
First one would be in Lodi, and then New Milford.
Lodi, New Jersey?
Yep. They are 9 miles apart,
Oh, okay.
according to the system.
Yep, that's good.
Super close. 2 grocery stores.
All right.
And then the way they do the unloads, they are first come, first served between 7 and 2.
Nice. 7 and 2. Nice. And obviously the Poland Spring is 24-hour pickup, so that doesn't matter.
Yep.
The
Correct.
rate says 15. Is there any way you can do 1,700 on this?
I don't know if I can go up that high. I can do 16.
16. 16 is fine. I'll take it.
Yeah.
You want my MC number?
Okay. Yes, sir.
MC.
Okay.
Ray
Ray
Logistics.
Logistics.
Yes.
Okay.
I've pulled
I have
load.
Jeff coming up on my screen.
Yep, that's me. I pulled the load for you. I was just
That's
about to
you?
say I pulled load for you guys before. Yeah.
Okay, fantastic. Are you the one driving this too?
I am the driver also.
Okay. Makes it easy.
Nice.
Yeah. I'm the weekend one, so I am the one calling you guys. What's your truck and trailer?
My truck is 1203. My trailer is 667767.
Wow, you think you got enough 6 and 7s in there?
Right? Everybody says that. Everybody says that when I tell them the trailer number. Same thing with everybody. It's funny.
I need to come up with something more original. So, anyways, when and where are you empty?
I'm empty now, but I'll be picking up. I'll be at Poland Spring around 11 p.m. on Sunday night.
Okay. Okay, we are all set.
You got my
Oh, no.
got it.
You should have it in your inbox in about 30 seconds.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You are welcome. You too as well.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.
See how easy that was? Bada bing, bada boom. First call. I didn't even have to make a second call for you guys. Nice short video. But yeah, it's that easy. And you see how I was respectful, talked to him, laughed with him. She's always going to remember me. She's always going to remember me. You know what I mean? And that's how you build a relationship, guys. It's that easy. Literally, you're just making a phone call, just got the Raycom. And then that's how it comes. They give you get your email. Just like that. You get the Raycon. Gives you to pick up all the information that you need. Picks up Hollis Center, Maine. 2 drops. I didn't even know it was 2 stops until she told me and didn't say it on the DAT load board. But it gives you everything. They wanted 1,500. I got 1,600 out of them, as you could see. I got 1,600, so it didn't hurt to ask. You know what I mean? I went up 200, and this usually what's gonna happen. If you go up 200, they're probably gonna meet you in the middle. So you know, whatever you feeling, they're gonna do it. But if this helped out anybody, I'm glad. And please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be trying to put out more videos like this, helping young owner operators fresh out of the game, fresh in the game, like I am. This is still my first year doing it. But it's that easy, guys. There's no reason to be nervous about it or think that it's a big deal. And yeah, you could book loads on the Uber, JB Hunt, which is terrible. Uber is pretty good. Uber app where you don't have to talk to any brokers. You just literally pick and book the load on your phone. You don't have to talk to anybody. But this is how you get the money, you know, because those you can't negotiate. These on this app, DAT load board, you can negotiate, call the brokers. It's easy, guys. There's no reason to be nervous about it. But I'm gonna end this video right there. I hope that this helped out somebody out there. If it helped out one person, I'm happy. I'll catch you on the next one, guys. Be safe out there. Peace.